Hey guys, Tech Mention with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the ear tip on your AirPods Pro that you have. Now, the AirPods Pro themselves comes with a couple of these ear tip, different sizes, and not a lot of people does that, but you can actually just change them out or swap them out to a bigger size or smaller size depending on your ear. So we'll show you. So these are going to be for the Pros, not the regular model. As you can see, these are the older models or the original model, which doesn't have these. So if you open up your box just like that, you notice here you got the case and the AirPods and then itself right there. And then if you look under the box here, if you take this off, right, you notice here, of course, the cable, charge cable, but this box here, right here, has these ear tips. So if we take a look at it, this is the first generation AirPods Pro, but if you have a newer one, it's also the same thing. You'll see it in there. So a couple things here. You'll see when you open this up and take a look at this. Slightly open it up just like this. You'll see here this one is the first generation of the Pro that has two different or three different it comes with. You got the small ones and a large one, and it's indicated by the sign S and L, and then originally fitted are the mediums one that are default one that you get it. So what you want to do is take the AirPods. Now it's really simple. You see these are pretty much in a silicone plastic, and you'll notice if you go like this, you'll see the sign there, medium by default ones. So you go like this, and all you do is simply just slightly, don't do it too hard because you're gonna rip it. You just want to pull on it, and you hear a snap, and it just comes off just like that. So that's how you do it. Again, one more time just for it on the other side, same thing. You just go like this, and then basically you just pull on it, and you hear a little click or snap. That means you took it off. So you take it off, and then if you want to, let's say, change out to maybe bigger ones, take these from here just like that. Same thing, you can just simply hold it just like the way we do it. You can like fold these outwards just like that, and then take your AirPod and then just push it in, and you'll hear a click, and it's very gentle and nice fit just like that. Okay, the fit should be perfect so you don't have any leak in the sound, and it just folds back just like that. And to show you guys one more time, we're going to do the other one. Pull it up, and then all we do is simply pull these tab upwards just like that, and then we're going to line it up just like that, and you hear a click, and then you line it up just like that. And as you can see, these are the bigger ones we just switched out from the medium one, and that's how you change out the ear tips on the AirPods Pro. Hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.